Guys, let's start. What do you think about this creature? Well, if you ask me, I would say that it is disgusting. Or better to say, what do you think about eating it? Well, we know that it is called lobster. So in this case, I would say eating lobster is disgusting. What is the subject in this sentence? We know that the subject here is it. It is disgusting. And what is the subject here? For sure, we know that eating lobster, or better to say eating, is the subject here. When I'm going to put it here, a verb in the position of an object or subject. Here we have a subject. Can I say eat lobster is disgusting? But for sure it's not possible to say eat lobster, because if you want to have a verb in the position of a noun, we need to add ing to the end of it. So in this case we say eating lobster. Actually here we have r is disgusting. So eat lobster is disgusting is wrong, and it's okay to say eating lobster is disgusting. Verb plus ing is called gerund. So here we used a gerund in the position of a subject. Let's get to work and see the other ways of using a gerund. Another way of using a gerund is when it is used as an object in a sentence. What does it mean? Take a look at this cute baby. So, if you ask me, I would say that he enjoys it. So, he enjoys it. He enjoys object. So, if I want to replace this it with a gerund, I can say that he enjoys sleeping. And now here you can see we use ing to make it a gerund. He enjoys sleeping, and for sure sleeping is our object in this sentence. Another time that we have to use a gerund is after some special verbs, such as, let me write these verbs, some of them. For example, enjoy, or here we can say admit, Or another one is hate, and so on. There is a list of them. You may search about them yourself and check them. Let's make a sentence with admit about actually this picture. Well, what are they doing? They're just arguing about something. He says something about her mistakes, and she talks about his mistakes, and none of them admit. It means we can say they don't admit. After admit, I told you we use a gerund. Making. Here we use ing. Making, for example, a mistake. So in this case, we can say they don't admit making a mistake. And as you can see, making here is the gerund. How about another example with enjoy? What are they wearing? Both of them. I'm sure we can say they enjoy wearing jeans, for instance. Again, this wearing is a gerund, and because we have enjoy, we used a gerund after that. And also you can think about an example with hate. For example, what do they hate, or what do you hate? I hate playing basketball, and so forth. The last one that we are going to talk about is using a gerund after preposition. So what are prepositions such as in, at, on, and so forth? Just take a look at this guy. Is he good at math? I don't think so. So I would say he isn't good. Here we use the preposition, which is at. He isn't good at, you can say, solving math problems. So here we use the preposition at, and also we use ing for solve, which makes it a gerund. And of course, as you can see, we use at plus preposition. We use preposition, which is at, plus the gerund here. Thank you so much. These were 4 applications of gerunds. Let's just review them. The first one, when it is the subject of a sentence, like this one, it is disgusting, or no, eating lobster is disgusting. And next one, it was the object of a sentence. He enjoys sleeping, so we call it number 2. And number 3, it was after some special verbs such as enjoy, admit, hate, can't stand, and so on. For example, they enjoy wearing. And finally, we talked about using gerunds after prepositions such as in, at, on, under, and so forth. Here, the example was this: he isn't good at, preposition plus gerund. Have a good time.